Hello everyone, back again. Another unboxing. This is another unboxing from SourcePoint Press. I don't know if I talked about it in any of my recent videos, but they were doing a Black Friday special where if you ordered one of their $20 books, you would get $150 in free comics. I'm pretty sure it's still going on. So that being said, let's get into this. So the book that I had picked out is Tall Tales of Midgard, Bound of the Shadow of the Bound One by Bjork Matthias Fries. So is a hardcover. And then the back. So that's our first one. Then we have Damned Cursed Children by Howard Wong, Josh Stafford. There's that. Back. Just all a bunch of quotes. From the creators of Rotten Tail, which is one I had talked about back in my Monroe Pop Fest haul video. Tranquility. From David Hayes and Kurt Belcher. Next one, also from David Hayes, is The Rot. Next from I don't want to mess up that name. I'm not going to try to pronounce it. I'll just do the other names, I suppose. Anthony Tan. Another name I don't want to try to pronounce. I don't want to butcher the hell of it. And Jose Carlos Silva. Trash and Can It, which is a SourcePoint Kids book, which I think is now my first SourcePoint Kids book. I think. Looks interesting. From Bruce Kim and Katia Vecchio. Wild Strawberries at the World's End. Interesting. From David Pantano, Diego Toro, and I don't know. Backfired. Barkley Rivera Shaw, Gutter Magic. And then one I have from the mystery box video, which was the last one I did. Holliston Carnival of Carnage. The Eighth Immortal, which is another one I got in the last one from Jacob Murray. Holliston Carnival of Carnage was from Great. And one I got in one of the first Source Point unboxing videos, I want to believe. Black of Heart. From Christopher Carlton? Yeah. And, yeah. That's that. Not sure when the next one I have will be. Maybe mid-December, or maybe middle of this month, if not more toward the end. So that is all. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell. And I will see you all next time. Have a good whatever day you're watching this. And I will see you all very soon. Have a good one.